I've been hearing all over the place about the Doll 10 foundation. I am late to the party. I have never tried this, but what got me curious is, obviously everybody oohing and eyeing over it and saying how great it is for mature skin. But when I was searching for this, I saw a bunch of other Asian brands popping up that I believe to be dupes for the same product. I mean, the color is the same on the packaging, pretty close. The packaging is almost identical. This one, I saw it with several different brands printed on the packaging. Now, I ordered these in the same shade depending on the brand. So, for example, the Doll 10 is in light, and this Foco, I think, is also in light, according to Amazon. Opening the packaging, pretty much the same thing inside, right? My little sponge fell out on this one because I have opened them. So they both have the mirror with the little sponge. These are useless. But here's the interesting thing. So Doll 10 looks like it's going to be a good match for me. This one, not so much. It's pretty much white. The other thing is I got the Doll 10 foundation brush with the Doll 10 product. It's nice and dense. It's a good quality brush. The other one came with this. Useless. So we're going to try both on each. I'm going to put the Doll 10 on one side, the other one on the other side. I'm going to see, let's see, I should have another brush similar to this to kind of get the same, see if I can get the same result here. This is a kabuki brush. It's pretty much the same as far as density goes. So here goes. This is going to be funny. Okay, so this feels nice. No weird smell. And like I said, this one I feel like is going to be a decent match for me. I've got my windows open, so I'm getting, or my blinds open, so I'm getting a lot of natural light right now. And from what I can see in the mirror, this is blending nicely with my skin tone. Go up into the ears since I've got my hair pulled up today. It's not heavy, so it seems to be given decent coverage. This mirror I'm using, I will say, kind of sucks. Let's see if we got the magnifying mirror. Okay, it's not getting trapped in any pores. It's not showing up on my texture because, I'm 57. I got texture. Especially around the nose where you tend to have more pores, a little bit maybe drier skin. Seems to be blending in pretty nicely. I am going to go over it with a sponge just to make sure it's well blended. And I'm just using a throwaway sponge today just because I'm too lazy to go get a good one. Okay, so Doll 10 side. So because this is creamy, I don't want to swipe. I kind of want to stamp and buff. Otherwise, I'm going to end up with streaky foundation. And inevitably, I get it on my lips. Okay. All right, let's try this other one. Gonna dip into this with the kabuki brush and let's see what happens. Okay, so now I will tell you that on the brush itself, it's looking darker than what it looks like in the pan. So we shall see. Here goes. Oh yeah, that's definitely too light. That is hilarious. Yeah, this is not gonna work unless I want to walk around looking like a ghost. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Total fail. Oh, my Lord. Okay, you guys. So, color matching on Amazon. If it's an Asian brand, always go darker. Yeah, because this ain't working. So let me fix my face and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. Okay, fixed my face, finished everything up. Final thoughts, this one's going in the trash. Totally does not work, way too light. And honestly, I only paid like 14 bucks for it, so I'm not gonna cry over this one. I do like the way the Dial 10 went on. Okay, it does have nice coverage. However, I will say that this is one you have to set, like with a lot of cream foundations, because what I found is as I continued to work, it was a little too wet. And so once I set it with a little bit of powder and a little bit of setting mist, then I was able to go ahead and put on the rest of my makeup without disturbing the foundation. I also noticed it around my lips had captured in some of the fine lines that I have here. So I just blended that out with a sponge and then set it a little bit, and then it seems to be fine. So, you know, we'll see how it goes through the rest of the day, see if everything stays, see if it transfers. And see what it looks like at the end of the day. But not bad for a cream foundation. I can see why people are liking this.